Hello everyone, I Gitika, Faculty Management, Technical Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on activity-based costing. Now what do you mean by activity-based costing? The activity-based costing system is a method of accounting you can use to find the total cost of activities necessary to make a product. The ABC system assigns cost to each activity that goes into the production, such as workers, testing a product, etc. Some businesses take their overhead expenses and allocate them evenly among products. But because some products use more overhead expenses than others, the cost of making each product is inaccurate under this method. With activity-based costing, you take into consideration both the direct and overhead cost of creating each product. You recognize that different products require different indirect expenses. By assigning both direct and overhead expenses to each product, you can more accurately set prices. And the activity-based costing process shows you which overhead costs you might be able to cut back on. For example, you make a soap. Soap A requires more overhead like testing than soap B. Using activity-based costing, you assign the right overhead cost to the appropriate products. That way, your overhead is higher for soap A than B. Now we are going to discuss the activity-based costing steps. Now what are the steps of based costing? To use activity-based costing, you must understand the process for assigning cost to activities. Firstly, identify which activities are necessary to create a product. Then, separate each activity in its own cost pool, which is a group of individual costs associated with an activity. Determine the total overhead cost of each cost pool. For example, purchasing could be its own cost pool. Next, assign activity cost driver to each cost pool. Cost drivers are things, example, units, hour, parts, etc. that control the changes in the cost. For example, purchasing costs are driven by the number of parts purchased. Now divide the total overhead cost in each cost pool by total cost drivers to get your own cost driver rate. Lastly, compute how many hours, parts, units, etc. that the activity used and multiply it by the cost driver rate. Now how to use the ABC system? Because the activity-based costing breaks down the costs that go into creating a product, it has many uses in the business. For small businesses, activity-based costing is great for making overhead decisions and pricing products. Overhead decisions, the ABC system shows you how overhead is used, which helps you determine whether certain activities are necessary for production, and if you have find out that some activities cost more than they should, you can even find new methods to do something, or you can cut out some steps entirely. Product pricing. The specific allocation of cost also helps you set prices that produce a healthy small business profit margin. If you only know which direct costs go into your products, you are ignoring the other cost, which could lessen your profit margins. With an ABC system, you can assign cost to each activity in the production process, allowing you to more accurately set a price that accounts for much it cost you to create a product. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you very much.